$500 plus for a mere 32 gig DDR5. Where has the computer market gone? I remember when these used to be at least $200 cheaper or even less. Man, I don't know what to see in this future of PC hardware, but things are getting really dire. Let's get into this. Hi everyone, it's by Lot Tech, banging out some more tech news. Hope you have an awesome week, awesome day, awesome weekend, wherever you are. And I came across an article that is really of interest of all of us consumers, especially who are budget-minded, when it comes to RAM pricing. Now, we already knew for months now that DDR4 were increasing higher and higher in pricing because, again, more and more least available or readily available, which kind of is the tricks of the trade as far as older hardware or whatever. As things, as they age, they get more scarce, hence why the demand goes up if someone's trying to go backwards in time. And we expected DDR4 to always rise, but we didn't expect the brand new DDR5 that hasn't even been out for a full 2 years roughly. And we're already seeing ridiculous price hikes. And it only started getting this ridiculous when everyone was using the AI buzzword and everyone wanted to do AI solutions. And I blame NVIDIA because they've been always the leading in AI to this day. And because of them and how their practices are, it's trickling down to everyone and affecting everyone, especially as consumers, because now the demand for AI is even higher than it was when it was first introduced, and now everyone wants it in a workflow or their technologies. So I believe at least 90% of the big price hikes was not because of the lack of the DDR5 memory being available. I honestly strongly believe it's due to the big demand of AI now on everything, and the mother has AI incorporated in it, whether it's a video card, a CPU, or some sort of other technology that one of these major companies use or release or sell. And I think this AI buzz crap needs to stop because, at least on the consumer level, enterprise is fine because enterprises need it for their workflow and increase their productivity and stuff. But for us consumers that don't really need it, 9 out of 10 consumers don't really need AI workloads or set to run AI because it's not fully taken off yet, in my opinion. We know it's here and people are using it, but it has not really taken off to its peak yet. And as consumers, 9 out of 10, we're not going to be using AI workloads on our home system. 95% of us, or maybe even more, build computers and stuff as a hobby or to play games or to video editing. Or if you do some 3D modeling as far as like CAD or whatever. But never like, oh, I got to get this 32 core Threadripper because I need to do AI workloads. Most of these things are geared to niche audiences. Like Threadripper is geared towards enterprise and heavy working professionals that they live, eat, sleep, and breathe heavy 3D models and CAD work for data centers. And now recently added on AI modeling and AI creation for like different models and LLMs. So us regular companies don't need that. We don't need AI technology, but everywhere we look now is in even our regular motherboards now. Now they have the AI label on the motherboards that we see today now. We regular consumers just want it for 1 or 2 uses. Our computers for 1 or 2 uses not gonna go over to get something for AI. So I believe the RAM prices and AI is what's causing them to jump so high because not even a full 3 months ago, when I was just perusing computer parts, the RAM sticks with DDR5, a 32 gig stick DDR5, 216 gig sticks was only $150, and this was Kingston brand too. Kingston's a very good memory brand, and Corsair everything was on at 200 for the most part for 32 gig DDR5 CL36000 memory, and now all of a sudden everything's 500 plus for DDR5 for simple 32 gigs. If they're this high for 32 gigs, I don't want to see how much 64 gig sticks or sets or higher are going to be, because 64 gig sticks even back then was still at least $300, $350, $380, depending on what brand you get, but not 500 plus. So I think it's ridiculous, and I'm really concerned with the PC market, especially something as simple as RAM, which is needed to run your computer properly, is this high now for just a mere 32 gig stick or kit. I am concerned. Y'all let me know in the comments below what your audience thoughts on DDR5 price rising mainly. And if you still use DDR4, let me know what your thoughts on that price increase. Do you understand because of age and availability is risen? And do you even think the same thing applies to DDR5, or do you also think it's because of the AI wave that's been going on recently? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, this is Biolog Tech signing out.